In today's video, I'll show you how to switch from Uber Eats to Uber Driver. Step 1. Open the Uber Driver app. Launch the Uber Driver app on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the menu. Tap the three lines or your profile icon to open the main menu. Step 3. Go to Preferences or Account Settings. Select Preferences or Account Settings from the list. Step 4. Find Service Options. Look for options like Uber Eats and UberX, which is the ride service app. Step 5. Enable Uber Driver. Switch on the Uber Driver or UberX option if it's available. This allows you to take ride requests along with or instead of food deliveries. Step 6. Contact support if needed. If you can't find the toggle, go to Help, then Account and Payment, then switch account or add services in the app. Request to add Uber Drive services to your Uber Eats account. Step 7. Submit required documents. Upload any needed paperwork like your driver's license, vehicle registration, or background check info if prompted. Step 8. Wait for approval. Uber will review your documents and request, which might take a few hours to a few days. And finally, Step 9. Start driving. Once approved, you'll be able to start accepting ride requests through the Uber Driver app. Important note, always provide accurate information and make sure you meet all Uber requirements for drivers, including background checks and vehicle standards. This process is legal and follows Uber's official procedures. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.